I'm going to go through the steps to assemble the Friday smart lock. Unscrew the bolts on the inside of the deadbolt and remove the thumb turn. You're going to keep the outside of your deadbolt so you still have access with your key. Check that the base plate covers the opening. If not, you have an adapter plate to make the base wider. Hold the deadbolt tight against the outside of the door, and using the instructions, check the length of the tailpiece. If it's too long, you're going to have to trim it. The back of the base plate can be rotated so that the holes line up for your lock, and there's going to be a list of locks in your instructions. This lock is a Schlage, so I'm going to have it set like this. Attach the base plate with your bolts. You're going to push in an adapter that matches your tailpiece. Make sure it turns smoothly and it works the lock. Remove the cover from the battery and line up the positive and negative side in the base. Snap the shell on the base. There's 2 tabs and 2 grooves that fit together. You can use the shell to manually open and close the lock. Then set up the app on your phone.